I just want to move it, man. Make me an offer, man.
No. I said he ripped you off.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
How much are your DVDs?
Vamos con razón. Esa. Brian. $1 each.
$1 each? Okay.
You got a TikTok? YouTube?
YouTube, yeah. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. It's Picking and Punching.
Picking and punching?
Yeah, I used to
When
do.
did we start punching?
I used to professional wrestling for a long time, and then so I go picking when I used to go out. I used to go like go do shows and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
So that's where the punching part comes from. But
Where you at?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. Yeah, find deals, yard sales. I'll post it up. I'll get. Is it $1 each for each one?
Yeah. That's right there.
$2, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Oh, massage. How much is that?
$5.
$5? Give me $5 for it. Seen it. Is it new?
Should be.
Oh, it's new. Okay, cool.
It was taken out. It was just to try it out.
Gotcha. Yeah, I got one of the guns at home.
Oh, yeah,
You ever see the gun? You got one of those?
Yeah.
How do you like it?
I love it.
I love it, man.
I love it.
It's portable, and when I used to go to shows, they'd bring it along with me, so like just do all the muscles and stuff like that. Thank you, man.
It's cool because it gets warm.
That
Yeah.
one gets warm.
That one, oh, this one gets warm?
Yeah.
Oh, that's even better. Yeah, oh yeah, soothing heat. Awesome, man. Thank you, guys. Morning.
Hey, good morning, sir.
Good, how are you guys? How much are the sandals?
Yeah, $2.
$2.
Yes, sir. I never worn. They're too small for me.
Yeah. Something about these sandals didn't sit right with me. They just felt off based on the material and based on the tag. So I just decided to pass them just to be safe. You have Pokemon cards for sale? How much are you asking?
For the whole bag total.
Mind if I see them? Thank you. Anytime I come across Pokemon cards and I can get them for like 5, 10, 15 bucks, I'll pick up the big lots of them. You just never know what you're gonna find. Also too, they usually sell pretty fast. These kid-size ones? Mm-hmm. How much you asking for them?
The whole thing's like
$5?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? Oh, WWE. Mario Rabbids. And then... Do you have the cases too with them?
He says he does.
Oh, okay. You don't see the wooden ones, really. These are cool.
They're old.
Yeah.
Super old. My brother-in-law used to work for Ralph Lauren.
Oh, I was gonna say, okay. Do you have a bag
Yeah.
so you can give you the I give you the crate. What were you guys asking for the games?
10.
10 each?
Yeah.
Would you do 20 for the 3?
That's fine.
Okay. All right, so I got that, and then
35.
35. How old do you think these hangers are?
How old's my oldest? 21 years.
20 years? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen them in a while. a while though. That's when I saw them. I was like, it makes such a difference though, hanging your clothes with the wooden ones compared to the other ones. I don't know what's I got in this Pokemon box, but worth the risk.
Well, some people look at these things and then post videos about them and finding.
Yep. Just like American Pickers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel, which I.
Oh, there you
yeah.
go. I figured.
Yep.
Do we sell that video? I don't know.
No, we don't sell it. We post on YouTube and then.
No, I was going to say we had a video.
Oh, you're a video camera. Oh, gotcha.
Table.
Oh, gotcha.
Just trying to think of things that
Yeah,
might
no,
appeal to you.
I like that. Natural born salesman.
Yeah. Brand new train set. Right here.
Yeah.
Christmas tree train set. Well. Oh,
No, Graham, we
well, I
did
just
use
said
it.
I think
Yeah.
I used it one time. Is
Yeah.
what I said, yeah. Kind of goes around the Christmas
Yeah, it's
tree.
cool. No, I like it, but you guys have a good day.
All right.
Oh, is that Thomas?
Yeah, that's Thomas the Train.
There's some random pieces.
Random pieces. I've had it for a long, long time. But yeah, the Thomas the Trains. It's not electric. It's
Yeah.
push, but
Yeah.
they're magnet. The cars
Yep,
are magnet.
I'm familiar with
them.
them. Yeah.
Yeah. $1.
What are you asking on it?
$3 for the
$3
whole
bucks.
thing.
Oh,
Thank you. Accept the dollar? Yeah.
Somebody can take the dollar.
Exactly.
for $3, I can't say no to $3.
I'm telling you. There you go. Thank you.
Yep. So you tricked me with the train set and then sell me
Interested in Thomas.
sell me the Thomas one.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Nicely done. You may have won the battle. You're not going to win the war, right? You guys have a great day. Good morning. What do we got here? Coca-Cola Christmas sets, huh? Ma'am, are the prices on the?
All of this is everything in the boxes down there. It's the entire set. If you open up some of the boxes, I'm trying to get at least 300 to 400 for everything.
Oh, you're selling everything as a whole. Gotcha.
I mean, you can pick out pieces
Yeah.
if you'd like.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But like I said, everything in the boxes complete the
Yeah.
entire. There's like this bottle here. This was made like there's only like 1,000 of these made.
What is this one here?
Cabbage Patch.
Oh,
still
Cabbage
in its
Patch.
Original. It's very cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, but
Cabbage
like I
Patch.
said, for everything, I thought 300-400 was more than fair.
Yeah.
It's but each piece they go in like for $30 a piece.
Yeah. No, I'm familiar. That's why I was curious.
Crazy.
What is in this? It's super heavy.
No, go ahead and open it
Is there gonna be more bottles?
carefully.
Yeah. That's what I was like. I'm gonna put it down. Just. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it's still in its original.
Which ones are these ones?
Yep.
1998 Christmas. You're a Christmas fanatic, huh?
I was, but.
Or are you a Coca-Cola fan?
I'm a Diet Coke girl.
Oh, okay.
I'm a Diet Coke girl. So
Awesome.
that's a whole railroad
Yeah.
set. Yeah, it's very cool.
All right. Well, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Morning.
Have a good day.
Squishmallow. What do you have in your dolls?
Huh?
How much are your dolls?
$1 a piece.
$1 a piece. Oh no, she's missing her hands.
If I'm not mistaken, I think, don't quote me on this, but I think she's supposed to be. It's something has to do with Monster High.
Yeah, it's Monster High, but she does. They're supposed to have hands, I think. Yeah,
I'm not sure, because
Yeah.
I've seen a couple of them that
they pop out and they swap out sometimes.
maybe that's what it is.
Yeah. And how much are your plush?
The small ones are 2, and the medium-sized ones are 4, and I think I have a couple of big ones. That one's 10.
That one's 10. How much? These ones are
Those are 4.
4. And then these ones are 10.
I think those are 4.
These are 4.
Yeah.
Okay. How much would you do if I bought them all?
Oh, cripes off Friday.
Everything?
Just all the Squishmallows.
Let's
All
see.
the squishmallows.
I don't even know how many I have. 1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Maybe 16. 15 times 3 is 45.
45.
Wait, that's what you would want for all of them?
Yep.
These are $2 though.
Yeah, but those are 4.
So 4 times, there's a 7 of them? 28, and then 4 times 6 would be 4 times 6 is 24. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it'd be 44.
All right, we do, how about 35?
35?
Yeah.
35.
Oh, he's reselling. He'll get
Yeah.
way better than that.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3. We do 30? That's not counting the big guy.
No, I know
Yeah,
it's not counting the big one. Yeah, I guess I'll do 30.
Okay. Do you have a bag? Like a garbage bag? I can throw them in?
Good. Not quite.
Not quite. Close enough.
Take one of the containers with it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay. And then I got
Okay.
3 feet. So you 33.
All right,
So here's 3.
all right,
then-
Margaret, those are yours.
And then I owe you
30.
30. How much are the plush?
1.
$1? Box is cute. That for $1.
Thank you.
Nine.
How much are the jeans?
The Levi are 10.
Mm-hmm.
The other one, like that brand there, that would be 12.
These are 12?
These are reflections. These are reflections too.
If you buy 2, we give it a 2 for 20.
2 for 20?
2 for 20. I think there's another pair over there too.
Another pair of reflections over here?
I give it to him, Papa.
Give it to him?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
How we going?
See, I usually have to give it to my wife. She's takes all the money, so. Hey, what do we got? What do we got over here? All this stuff here.
I took everything off my bike
Yeah.
in 2017. I bought it, and I put all this stuff in storage. 6 months after I bought the bike, I dumped a bunch of money into it, and I took all this stuff off of it. The bike is in the garage, but this is all the stuff that came off the bike 6 months after I bought it. I
Gotcha.
got saddlebags, the tires, obviously. I got all the foot pegs,
Yeah.
floorboards, everything that came off of the bike. I put it in the same packages of the stuff that I bought
Yeah.
for it. The saddlebags alone, I have the 2 lids here, and the saddlebags there, they're original Harley parts.
Yeah.
Originally, those 2 saddlebags are $1,800
Yeah.
with lids.
What are you asking for this stuff?
$250 for everything.
How much?
$250.
$250 for everything?
$250 for everything.
All right, so wait, what all do we got here again? We got the wheels.
We have the wheels, we have the saddlebags, we got the handlebars, the engine guard, the fairing clamps. We have the entire air cleaner, the front fender, the 2 lids, the entire exhaust
Is there any
system.
damage to any of this stuff?
No, the bike was 6 months
You
old.
can take the thing open.
Look at the bike. I'll show you how I treat my stuff. I don't treat my shit like garbage.
No, man, I could tell.
You know what I'm saying? And everything in those boxes was taken off the bike and cleaned and put away in the wrapper.
Some cash I have on me.
You know what I'm saying? Everything was put away. And I didn't put anything. Everything was put away. You know what I'm saying?
So it's a saddlebag. What else?
You got the saddlebags, the lids.
Okay.
Okay. You have the original handlebars. You got the original fork lowers.
Yeah.
Both rims. You have the original engine guard. You have multiple lights. The caps that went on here. In fact, I do have these. The front controls that are up there, I could put those in the package too. And the entire exhaust system, all the way to the back, is in there too. And that's it. So you got, I mean, it's a lot of shit in there, but
Yeah.
I just want to, I need storage space, man.
Gotcha, man.
I need storage space, man. I mean, if you have the time,
Yeah.
and you sell this stuff individually,
Yeah. Yeah.
I just want to move it, man. Make me an offer, man. Make me an offer.
I don't want to insult you, man. Like it's just a lot of. It's gonna take up a lot of storage. I resell, so I have a reselling business, but
Make me an offer.
150 bucks?
No.
No.
You make it 180.
180.
Give me 180.
All right, deal.
I have it.
Deal.
Give me 180.
I said he ripped you off.
Nah, he's gotta resell. He's gotta make money.
It's gonna take up a lot of space, and it's gonna I'm trying to load up my truck now.
Okay, good.
Oh, what did I just do? I don't even know what I bought.
But no, but you're not gonna be disappointed.
Oh no,
He is picky,
yeah,
and everything gotta be perfect, and everything in there is good.
yeah. I mean, all right. Well, let's hopefully I got some room.
The year of the bike and everything like that.
Where at?
So
Right there on
know,
top.
Right there. It's a 2017 road bike.
Oh, perfect.
That's just gonna go fast because it'll fit on anything all the way up to 2020.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I totally forgot about those too.
Thank you very much, sir.
No, man, thank you, man. I appreciate the deal. Gives you space now.
Now I have.
Hey, thanks again, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, guy. What an absolute insane day. I am still lost of words for what just happened in this video. You know, first we picked up all the Squishmallows. I'm gonna put those on Whatnot, so I didn't throw comps up there. We should get $100+ for those Squishmallows. We'll run a plush auctions, probably starting about $2 for those each, and just let them run. But let's talk about this Harley pickup. This guy just won the stuff gone. I don't like to be disrespectful to people and try to lowball them, but when I have no idea what I'm buying, I just threw out an offer. He said $250, throw out an offer. I knew he wouldn't have gone. I threw $150 out, thinking that he's gonna maybe say $200. He said $180, and I just knew it was gonna be a no-brainer. Just knowing that those are actually Harley tires and rims, I know without even looking them up that they're gonna be a couple $100. So I think I'm gonna do really well. I saw some comps on eBay for like $200 to $300 for those used tires and rims. So I think I'm gonna do a lot better than what I originally expected. But the problem is I don't really know where to sell this stuff. So I'm gonna maybe put it on eBay. I may try to sell it locally here. Let me know in the comments down below. I can use your guys' help on this one here. I'm calling out the Picking and Punching Nation. Let me know down below where you guys would recommend I look to sell this stuff. You know, maybe give me some different ideas of what to do with it. But absolutely insane. I'm gonna estimate that we had over $1,000 worth of stuff there just to kind of be safe, just based on what I saw just on the tires. So there's probably even more than that. It's gonna be a lot of work, and it takes up a lot of room, so I need to start moving it fast. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions or ideas. Also too, you guys saw those Squishmallows. We're gonna be doing a plush auction here and Whatnot in about a week or two. Make sure you guys give us a follow on Whatnot. The links down below here. We're doing a Disney pin auction and a Disney vintage auction as well next week. We're gonna be selling all those Plushmallows on Whatnot too. So guys, I want to just say thank you in advance for all your help with this. You know, give me your comments down below. We are less than 100 subs away from hitting 10,000. So if I show you guys any type of value, please make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.